Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. I'm continuing the series of tutorials regard to school registration system project. This project is done using Microsoft SQL Server and Visual C Sharp. It is a database application. This tutorial has the goal to create the code behind this button new. In our last tutorial, I created a code behind this button save. I'm going to give a double click on this button save. This will take us inside this method where I have done the code for this method, which is attached to that save button. Yeah, and this code will insert all the records filled in this student form into this table student, which is part of this database school registration. At this moment we've got these two records, yeah, into this table student. What it was inserted in last video tutorials. So now I want in this video tutorial to do the code behind this new button, which will make all the records filled in these controls to be cleared after they were inserted into this table student, yeah, using this form student. These controls, namely for gender, won't be cleared, yeah, because always I need these two options, male and female, so there is no point to clean these radio buttons. And also I'm not going to clear these controls for the date of birth and date of registration, yeah, because always I need this calendar here inside these two controls. The rest of the controls will be cleaned by the code behind this button new. So I'm going to select this button new, give a double click on the button. This will take you inside this method with this event click. So I'm going to use the name of the controls which is going to be cleared, yeah, so txt first name, and I'm going to use this method clear, yeah, to clear the content of this control. And I'm going to continue with the following controls. Now the txt last name, again this method clear, yeah, semicolon, txt clear, yeah, parenthesis, semicolon, txt, another one, email, yeah, clear method, semicolon, yeah, txt, first name, last name is done, address is done, email is done, mobile is the next one, but I have to use it here in the code using this method clear to clear this control. Yeah, I think I used all the text boxes. Yeah, address is used, email, first name, last name, mobile. Yeah, now I'm continuing with the combo box class. And here I'm going to use this property text, and after equal sign I'm going to use these double quotes there to clear this control. CBM country dot text equals double quotes, semicolon, CBM, yeah, CBM county dot text equal double quotes, okay, CBM town text equal sign double quotes, semicolon. I think I have used all the controls from this student form. Yes, class, first name, last name, address, mobile, email, country, combo box, town combo box, and county combo box. Alright, first name, last name, address, email, mobile, combo box, class, CBM country, CBM town. Yeah, it's done. Let's save the changes and let's release this application. Okay, let's put down these, and I'm going to release the student form. Let's write here, let's fill in something in here. First name, last name, address, which country I used here, France. Okay, let's write here, okay, Lorraine. I'm going to use the town, just the town, match, file. I'm going to write a mobile number by random, email, yahoo.com, 2005, and here 0209 2017. Yeah, France, yeah, county Lorraine, and the town Metz. Okay, now click on save. Data is saved successfully. That means the data was inserted into student table in SQL Server. Click on OK button, and now, as you can see, all these records staying here on the form. They were not cleared automatically by Visual C#. So that's why I have done the code behind this new button to clear all these records, yeah, from these controls located on this form student. Now I press this button new, and here you go. All these records were cleared from all these controls from this form student, as you can see. Yeah. All right, let's close this. Yeah, and let's go inside the SQL Server, and now it's already written the statement to select this table. Yeah, select asterisk from student, click on execute, and here you go. Here is my registration, as you can see. Yeah, the last registration, what I have done, and because I have done the code behind this button, it is about this code. You have seen how the controls were cleared using this code behind this button, this new button. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my other video tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye.